Hi, welcome back to Avarta's kitchen. Today we will be preparing Appe Payasa, a sweet recipe. For this, let's check out the ingredients and start with the recipe. To a mixing bowl, add 1 cup of chiroti rava, and 1 tablespoon of ghee. Start mixing this. Once this rava holds the shape like this, at this stage start adding water little by little and make this a soft dough. A very soft dough is formed. We will be resting this for 10 to 15 minutes. Initially we will be roasting a few dry nuts. For this, add 1 tablespoon of ghee. And a few dry nuts. I have taken raisins, cashew nuts and badam. Once these are roasted well, keep this aside. To a frying pan, add 1 cup of ghee. In the meantime, the dough is ready. Just pinch a ball of the dough and dust this in the chiroti rava. And start rolling this like a puri. Roll this very thin and start deep frying these. We will be rolling the remaining dough also. Don't deep fry these in oil. If you deep fry in ghee, this gives a very nice taste. Fry them till they become crisp. You can notice we have got a beautiful golden on the top. Now this is perfectly fried. We will be just removing this from the ghee and stain it on a tissue paper. Now all the puris are deep fried. We will just be breaking this into small pieces. Once this is done, keep this aside. To a wide bottom kadai, add 1 cup of milk. This was the same kadai that was used to roast the nuts. Once the milk starts to boil, add 1 cup of sugar. Wait till this dissolves. Once the sugar dissolves, to this we will be adding the rava puris that is broken into pieces. Cook these till these become really soft. At this stage, add 1 teaspoon of elaichi powder and a few strands of saffron. This paisa is getting thicker. Finally, we will be adding the roasted nuts. And this delicious, tasty Appe Payasa is ready to serve. Here we have this tasty, authentic Appe Payasa. Do give this recipe a try and share it with your family and friends. If you like our videos, do subscribe to our channel Avarta's Kitchen and also hit the bell icon to receive updates on our new videos. For more recipes, follow us on our Facebook page Avarta's Kitchen and do visit our website www.avarta.co.in. Stay healthy and stay safe. Thank you.